Welcome back to another adventure. This one will be creating a Twitter parser, which will then go through our target individual's tweets, and we'll be able to look through all of the different tweets that you decide to look up on their account. So then for this, import URL-lib, looked up what URL-lib is. It allows you to look up the connection between World Wide Web and then is able to parse that information out. And in the Python 3 module, it's actually been separated into 3 different parts, which is pretty cool to actually know, because especially shrinking things down and making them more modular helps a lot of people, and you don't have to remember all of them because it's a lot faster to use it then. So in the beginning, we're creating the class of recon person, and this is who we're going to be going and getting the information out of. And then self, and then we want the self, which is always going to be in there because that's defining itself. And then we're putting in our variables, which is first name and last name. And job. Setting that to empty, so then later on we can assign that, and then social media. So then within this job, oh, I'm going over the same thing. And then first name is equal first name. And then we're defining that each one of these, like I said in the last video, we're just making sure that it calls everything within scope and actually understands what it's calling, so it doesn't call something else. If anybody knows what REPR is, it'd be amazing to know. I don't quite know. So then we're stating that the last name has job of self.job. And now we're defining the get the social. And then we're going to do the self and the media name. So if self.social media has this key of the media name, then we're going to return the self. And return the media name. Otherwise, we're going to return none. It just, what it does with that, when it calls to get the social, then it looks for the media name. If it has the media name, then it grabs the media name. Otherwise, it returns nothing. And then we'll define the query, and do the self and the query, and then creating the query, and then this is where we use URLM. The results will be an array. Array is a list of things. So then from there, create the browser again within a browser. And then this is our API that we're gonna call, that Twitter gives out, so then we can connect to those services. And then whatever our query is, that's what we'll add to the end of it. And then we'll have a JSON object. Response, what we just asked for from the Twitter. And then we'll create a for loop, which will loop through this. And we'll have the geolocation along there. And that'll be from the text. What it looks like is we're assigning each one of these and all we're doing is reassigning the values for whatever the original creator of this he wanted to have. And then from there we'll append everything and push it all to the end, so then the user of the program then can get the results. And then this is who we would search up. If you wanted to change this, this would be the spot where you change it. And this is what they have within the book. And you'd have to change this as well. And that would be the whole program. So I'll save that, and I'll see if I can run this again, but probably won't be able to. Claims that it's invalid syntax. Line 13. So the first name. It's not supposed to be like that. Well, the book says otherwise. I wonder if using Python 3 would make a difference, but I don't think that would allow it either. Oh, that's funny. Well, good thing did that. So, what it asked for within that, this added. I don't quite. I must have read it from above the social media part. Excellent. So, made that better. And then go with 2, and then invalid syntax for the 4 results. I like this. And then oh wow, that's obvious. So if it's a for loop, you're gonna want to have that. And then expected indented block. Absolutely, that only makes sense. To have for loop, yep. And then have all those indented. The reason you want those indented is then when it cycles through the for loop, that's what you want to happen. Within Python, that's what it asks, is when it's indented, it'll know based on the indentation on what's able to be done. And what I just realized right now, on top of everything, also forgot to include a line. This would be the tweet. And then the result would be the text. And then this line would be geo. Perfect. It's awesome. Alright. The return is outside the function. I see what it means. So yes. Correct. Correctamundo. Perfect. And then we're back to this. I don't know what to do with this. I'm gonna leave it be. I just know that it has to be a pip install of some sort. I'm gonna figure that out later on, but I just wanted to give this video out to help anybody out to understand the lingo and everything of why this is so programmed how it is. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.